Your ductwork is an integral part of your system. I mean, it's there. They last about 10 to 20 years, depending on what storage you have in the attic, if people are trampling it, if it's just a plethora of things can cause your ductwork to deteriorate. And once you start losing that insulation factor and the vapor barrier on that insulation, you can have other problems with moisture and mold, and it's a good time to start looking at changing this out and getting them replaced so that you keep all the cool air in your house so you can chill like you mean it. Well, older systems are just the energy rating of the units. They're more strict and more efficient than they used to be. So you're going to see your bills drop with the properly sized and more energy efficient equipment that we have from today. It's how they utilize and making sure that we're keeping and rejecting all the heat that needs to be in the house and out of the house depending on the season. HVAC is going to be the ventilation and the air conditioning, so that is the whole house. And you can't look at just the cooling of it, because we've got your vents that's got to come out from your bathrooms, from your stove, and anytime you're taking air out of the house, you're going to be pulling hot, humid air from somewhere else. So we take the full measure of the house to make sure that we're looking at everything. AC is too specific to be able to correctly size and give you the proper unit for your house.